You might want to change your Facebook password for various reasons. Maybe somebody has accessed your password and you want to keep some of your personal details secure. Let me show you how to do it. The first thing you do, these are my Facebook profile here, but I want to change the password. What do? Just come and click settings and privacy here. Now click settings. It's a very easy process. Now click here, Meta Account Center. I think Facebook updated this one. You might have a different view of this, but this is the updated version. Now Meta Account Center, just click it. Okay. Now just click on your under your profile, click on password and security. Okay. Now change password. Very easy. Enter your old password. I think my old password is saved in this phone. Now let me choose a new password. Okay. My password is very simple. I think you can see, but this is just for demonstration purposes. I'll have to change it after this. Okay. Now change password. Okay. Now I have two-factor authentication set, so I'll receive an email with my account with the login details. Okay.